Hello dears, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video you are going to watch that how we can assign IP address with Windows 11. So we have two methods to access the settings of the Windows 11. First we need to click on the setting on the menu, and we have to click on the settings of this menu. So the second way to access is that we press Windows key and I on the keyboard. So the settings of Windows 11 is going to open. So here in your left you can see we have this network and internet. So when you click at this network and internet, you can see we have this Wi-Fi connection and also Ethernet. The Wi-Fi is for sure it's wireless. Ethernet is not wireless. Physically you need to attach the internet connection to your PC. Means you need to connect to the internet using RJ45 connector that should be attached into your PC. So if you didn't see these type of connections available with this settings, it means that you have to troubleshoot. You have to see that if the driver is properly installed, or if it's not installed with your hardware. Also it could be a problem that you can see the type of connection over here. So let me start from the Wi-Fi. So we are going to click on the Wi-Fi. So I'm already connected to this SSID or this wireless connection. So if you want to change the IP address and the DNS settings, you need to click on this SSID properties. When you're going to open this, you can see the first thing you're going to see that we have this connect automatically when in range. So when it's going to be in range, this SSID, so this connection is going to automatically connect. So also we have this public and private, which is going to be available on the firewall of the Windows. So public is going to be recommended by the Windows when you're going to connect to your Wi-Fi. So if you want to make it private, so you can click on the private. So also you can configure firewall and security settings for this network or this Wi-Fi connection from here. So let me scroll down and you can see we have this metered connection. So if you want to meter it on record data for data connection for this PC, so you can turn on this. So how you can change the IP address, you can see we have this IP assignment, which is set to be dynamic host configuration protocol, which is an automatic IP which is going to be assigned by your connected device or by your router. And also we have this DNS server assignment if you want to change the DNS settings. And you can see we have the other information like SSID, protocol, security type, manufacturer, description, drive version. And also if I scroll down, you can see we have this network band, network channel, and also you can see a lot more configurations information here like IP address. You can see IPv4 version 4 DNS server, which is automatically assigned by my router. So how we can change it, we need to click on the edit if you want to change the IP settings. So if I want to set a static IP, so I'm going to select this manual. So here you're going to get two different versions of IP address. First is going to be version 4 and the second is going to be version 6. So I'm going to select this version 4. So here I'm going to assign an IP address like 192.168.1.67, and also here you are going to assign the subnet mask like 255.255.0. so this subnet mask is going to be the C class. So I don't want to describe all this IP address for this video because we are going to only see the IP address assigning. So we are going to make a copy from this, Control C, and we are going to Control V or paste it over here. So the default gateway IP address is going to be .1. So make sure you're going to select an IP address that is going to be on the same subnet for your gateway. So if you want to find the gateway IP address, we are going to make another video on that too, that how we can find IP address of our gateway when you are going to connect to any network, or maybe you're going to connect to the access point or router of your local home or office. So now here we can assign an IP address. So we have two type of IP address we can use. The first is going to be the public IP address, which is 4.2.2.2, and the second one is going to be 8.8.8.8. so this one is also a public IP, a public DNS. DNS means domain name system, which is going to resolve IP address to name and name to the IP address. And also we have this alternative DNS. If you have an extra DNS, or your gateway is has a DNS, so you're going to, if you already assigned, so you're going to type your DNS over here. So for now I'm going to type this public DNS. This is going to be my backup DNS. So when you're done, you're going to click save. So this IP address is going to be assigned in your this connection, or this Wi-Fi connection. So you can see this is going to be your IP address that's going to show up here. Also we changed the DNS for the primary and for the secondary. So also you have this only DNS. So if you want to change the DNS server, so you're going to click edit. So here you can change the DNS. So if you want to assign IP version 6, so you are going to turn on your IP version 6. When you scroll down, you can see you can assign IP address. I can assign the same subnet, prefix length, and also gateway, a preferred DNS, and also alternative DNS, which is going to be alternative or backup DNS for you. So for now I don't want to assign IP version 6, so I'm going to cancel this. So if you want to copy that information, if you want to access this IP address from a remote PC, so the best way to use this information to access the IP address, if you want to access any folder from this network, the best way with Windows 11 that's going to allow you to get this information, you click on the copy. So when you click on the copy, it's going to copy all this information, so you can paste it anywhere, or you can copy it on the text, and you can have that information. So if you want to access any folder from that PC, so easily you can use that information to access. And we are going back to this network and internet, and let me show you, we can assign the same thing for Ethernet as well. So if I click on the Ethernet, also you are going to get the same thing, like you can edit the IP from here, you can edit the DNS, and also you can copy all this information that you have over here. By default is going to be DHCP, and the extra thing that you can see with this Ethernet connection is going to be that authentication setting. So if you click, so you can see this authentication is going to show up like enable IEEE 802.1x authentication. So if you want to turn on this, so you can edit this configuration here. So you can choose type of different authentication here, and you can also add a trusted server, and also add a trusted certificate thumbprints as well. So this is how we can use the settings of Windows 11 to assign IP address manually, and we can change it from DHCP to manual as well. By default it's going to be automatically. So the second way to assign IP address to your Windows, so this is going to work with any version of Windows. We are going to use Windows key and R. So now you have to type in cpa.cpl. so this is going to open all your connections. So we are going to hit enter. So we can see that we have this connection. This is going to be our Ethernet, and this is going to be our Wi-Fi. So if you want to assign IP address, you select one of your connection, right click, go to properties, and in this Ethernet properties you can see we have TCP version 4 and TCP version 6. So if you want to assign IP address, so you select your version of IP address, click on properties. So now here you can type your IP address, your subnet mask, your default gateway, and also you can type your DNS information for the first DNS, and for the alternate DNS you can type over here. So this is how we can use Windows to assign IP address. And also we also did this training that how we can assign IP address with Windows 11 using the settings of at our Windows. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and it really help you. And if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.